Welcome back to another video, ladies and gents. It's jacobcrypobury here, and today we're going to look at STEPN GMT. We've smashed through another key resistance and set an all-time high just today, so that means we're currently in price discovery, so stick around in this video to see what could potentially happen for GMT over the next few days. We can see we've got this beautiful bounce back in the market as well, all the way from 38.9k. We saw a massive V-shaped recovery. Lots of longs in the market have been liquidated over the last few days, and we can see we've got that beautiful bump for Bitcoin. We're back up another 3.2% on the week and 6% on the day, looking extremely juicy. So hopefully this is going to be another floor price, and we'll be retesting those local highs at some point soon. So STEPN, we can see on the Twitter actually, quite interesting really, that there was a DDoS attack. Shortly after the last update, our server has endured several DDoS attacks, and despite this fuddiness and all the congestions that it's caused, we've still seen fantastic, phenomenal, really, transactional volume and normal functionality for the actual network itself. So despite all of this, we've seen a brilliant all-time high, and we're going to look at this in just a little bit. I just want to show you some on-chain data as well. We're seeing just 1.51 million bitcoins on the exchanges at the moment. This is all of them combined in native units, so a few bitcoin has gone back onto exchanges, but the fact that we're seeing the current price that we've got, and I think what this also reflects is a lot of the trading volume is coming in from actual traders on getting liquidated on their short and long positions. So people, legacy holders, smart money, actual people that want to stay in the market are accumulating these fearful opportunities, and as all the crypto noobs are getting fudded out through fear, the smart money and the whales are just hopping back in and scooping up everything that is being sold. We can also see here on the crypto fear and greed index, we're sitting at 27, so rather low really, but yesterday we had extreme fear. So like I say, you know, we just looked at a video literally 2 days ago looking at AVE, and I was saying it's time to buy. We're in extreme fear, we're super oversold on the RSI, and all these indicators are ticking off. And yeah, sometimes it's there for a reason. When it feels wrong, usually it's because it's the right thing to do. So here we go. This is what's happened with GMT. We made our all-time high on the 1st of April, and 3 weeks later we put through another all-time high. Absolutely fantastic performance, and we can see here on the impulse we corrected down to the 0.5 level. We set a low at around $2, and we consolidated for a good few weeks, and now we've had a massive pump to the upside. So we're pretty overextended on the 20-day moving average, which is represented by this pink line here, and we've flipped every single resistance into support now. Our price target was actually $3.35, but it looks like instead we've perfectly came up to the 1.414 Fibonacci extension level. So if we can break through the $3.60 range, I expect us to see continuation up to the golden pocket at $3.83, but we might just get a bit of a rejection here at this particular resistance level. However, lots of volatility right now. The price is moving up and down pretty crazy, like a yo-yo. 359, 58. Yeah, we're just up and down, up and down, up and down at the moment. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Daily time frame, of course, we've got some massive green candles, and usually with green candles we do see a bit of pullback or correction following. So we can see with the Fibonacci retracement here, even though we do have a $3.80 pragmatic target, we could potentially come back down and retest his lower levels of support, such as $3.29 over here. So do speculate that we can still come down on the hourly time frame as well. You know, we're seeing the price come up and the RSI come down, so beware. Wow, that's a big hourly candle right there. We're seeing a huge pump. Yeah, so beware right now of this particular bearish divergence that I'm seeing play out on this particular chart. It doesn't mean we're going to get a full rejection. I mean, we're actually pumping really, really well right now. $3.84, guys, is the pragmatic target if we do break through. Of course, we had a nice bull flag right there, so keep an eye on what's going on. This is absolutely crazy right now. Price target is $3.81 on the bullish scenario, but we can take a correction, or a small pullback, shall I say, back down to these price support levels, such as $3.45 over there. That's also another particular support level we've got because of the swing high. So absolutely crazy, just watching the price fly right now. $3.66. STEPN is just going crazy. So yeah, this is a project that's going to stay around. It's a a metaverse play to earn project, which also includes real life elements that gets people outside on their feet, being an athlete and earning money for doing so. So here we are, $3.65 already. We're moving quickly on the 15-minute time frame. Also, we're putting through some massive volume. Look at the spike of volume over here. So just beware of those bearish divergences that we just called out. Also, just want to say, really, just looking at the cryptocurrency space, we're still sitting in our green zone, which is our ultimate fear reaccumulation phase of a bull market scenario. These are the areas where you can pretty much buy with the most upside potential, because the downside is already minimized. We've come from a 1.7 trillion market cap down to 1.1 trillion. However, this time we've got extreme fear, whereas before we had extreme greed up the top over here. So maybe one can speculate that in a few weeks or months we'll be back to a $2 trillion market capitalization. This is all excluding Bitcoin as well. So it does represent a lot of strength. And what we can safely say using this data is the market is so much stronger today than it was in July 2021. So 2022 is technically already a better year than 2021 for cryptocurrency, in my personal opinion. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Come say hello down in the Discord channel. I'll leave that in the description for you. If you want to buy some GMT today, you can use the link down below as well. And make sure you leave a comment and thumbs up. I shall see you soon. Bye for now.